guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you see from the title, I will be showing you how to thoroughly clean your BlendJet 2. Let's get started. So first, I'm just going to make a quick simple smoothie just to show you guys how I'm going to clean it. So you guys, there is a rubber piece that is inside of the top. So what I'm going to get is a fork just to help me pull it out so that I can clean the top thoroughly. So you guys, there is another rubber piece that is on the base of the BlendJet 2 that I forgot to take off, and as you see there is still some smoothie left up under the rubber. So that's why it's great to take the rubber out and clean it thoroughly so that you make sure you got all of the residue out. So now that I'm done cleaning them, I'm going to just sit it out for it to dry. Now that everything is dry, I'm going to show you all how to put it back together. As you see from the two rubber pieces, for the base, you will use the thicker rubber to put back inside. And again, I will be using the fork to help push it down. And when you're putting the rubber back into the base, please be careful because of the blades. You do not want to cut your finger. I'm just showing you here that there is an arrow that you will line up against the arrow on the base. When you have those aligned, you know that it is ready to be in use. You're ready to blend whatever you're going to blend, and it will blink red until you align the two arrows together. And when you have them aligned, what you're going to do is you're going to turn them both simultaneously until they are both aligned up and down, and it will blink blue to let you know that it is ready for use. So you guys, that's it. That is how I thoroughly clean my BlendJet 2. If you would like to purchase a BlendJet 2 as well, be sure to look down in the description and I will put a code for you to get 12% off your order. As always, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.